WhatsApp has rolled out some great features. One of the features is the ability to add songs to your WhatsApp status. So something like this, where you can search for literally different kind of artists. I love Charlie Kiwanuka. Okay, I'm not sure he's here. Okay, he doesn't have it. You can search for artists like different artists depending on um your preference. You can even search for instrumentals. You can see a whole lot of instrumentals that you can use for your videos. You can search for, let's say, Gregory Alan Isakov. I mean, I love this guy's songs. He's a great artist. So you can even search for artists and you can see a whole lot of their songs. Like, it's actually very crazy. I mean, this is mind blowing. I love it so much. So, how do you how do you use this feature on your WhatsApp? All you have to do is open up your WhatsApp, go to your updates, and then click on the icon to add a picture. Then you can scroll to where you have the picture you want to use. So let's say I want to use this picture, I can click on it, and then you can see this icon here that says it looks like a music icon. You click on that icon and then you can type the name of the artist you want to add to something like this, and then you can click on the particular song you want to add, and you can have the option to preview the song, and you can choose specific points in the song. You can choose the middle of the song, or you can drag it to the beginning, or you can take it to any particular point in the song, to the end, or even at the middle of the song. So you just drag the icon there, and then you listen to the part that you want. And if the part that suits you, you can select it, and then you are done with it. So you can also pause and play the song while you review it. Now, for some persons, they don't have that feature on their WhatsApp. So, for instance, this is another WhatsApp where you can see that feature. So, when you click on something like this and you choose a picture that you want to use, let's say this. So, you can see this particular WhatsApp does not have that feature. Now, this is actually the same application, just different accounts, and yet we can't use this feature. So when I went online to do some search on why we couldn't add that music on that particular account, WhatsApp said this: we are building and testing out new features like music on status, and they may not be available to you yet. In the meantime, we recommend keeping WhatsApp updated on your device so you can get the feature as soon as possible. Then they went ahead to narrate or to describe how you can add the song to your WhatsApp. And remember that you can only add that song to a video or a music. You can add it to a text. So you can add it to a text, right? So if you don't have this feature yet on your phone, on your WhatsApp account rather, keep your WhatsApp updated, and in no distant time, WhatsApp will have that feature available for your accounts. Follow me for more tips like this, and if you like this video, like and drop your comments. Thank you. See you in the next video.